Hello students, welcome to Sufa English High School e-classroom. Student, in the previous lecture we have studied about a number and type of numbers. So in that we have studied natural number, whole number, integers, rational number and irrational number. Today we are going to study the remaining types of number system, that is even number, odd number, prime number, composite number and real numbers. Student, we have studied this type of number in the lower classes. We all know that what is even. Even numbers are those numbers which are completely divisible by 2. We have heard the definition of even number, that is a number which is divisible by 2 are called even number. The numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. But if we will divide the number, then every number is divisible by 2. But some numbers are completely divisible by 2 and some numbers are incompletely divisible by 2. I will show you one example related to this. Suppose I have a number 3. And I have other number 4. Now we have to see which number is even and which number is odd. We have two type of numbers, 3 and 4. Out of these two numbers we have to see which is a odd number or which is a even number. So first of all we will divide this 3 with 2. 3, 2. We know that 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2, 1. Now we will divide 4 with 2. 4, 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Student, what you have observed in this division? So you have observed that 3 and 4, out of these two numbers, 3 is incompletely divisible by 2 because there is a 1 in the remainder. But 4 is completely divisible by 2, so there is a 0 in the remainder. So from this we can conclude that the number which is incompletely divisible by 2 is not a even number and the number which is completely divisible by 2 is a even number. The numbers which are completely divisible by 2 are called as even numbers and the numbers which are incompletely divisible by 2 are called as odd numbers. If we will see the set, then 1 is incompletely divisible by 2, hence it is an odd number. Then 2 is completely divisible by 2, so it is even. 3 is incompletely divisible by 2, it is odd. If we will see the system of numbers, then alternately one number is odd, other is even, one number is odd, other is even. Like this you have to understand. The number which is completely divisible by 2 is an even number. The number which is incompletely divisible by 2 is an odd number. So you have to write the definition. The numbers which are completely divisible by 2 is an even number. The number which are incompletely divisible by 2 is an odd number. And you can write 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. These are odd numbers. And out of this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on, these are even numbers. Now next part is a prime number. Student, we will see what are prime number. In the lower classes you have also observed about a prime number. So you have observed the definition. Which definition you have observed? Yes. The number which is divisible by 1 and itself is a prime number. No doubt? Yes. If I will write here a number 7, the 7 is a number which has only two divisors, 1 and 7. 7 has only two divisors, 1 and 7. So 7 is that number which is divisible by 1 and itself. That is why 7 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. So you will tell me, sir, 9 is also a prime number. So let's see the divisors of 9. 9 9 ones are 9, so 1 will be the divisor. 3 threes are 9, so 3 will be the divisor. And 9 ones are 9, 9 will be divisor. So as you know that 9 has 3 divisor, 9 is divisible by 1, 3 and 9. That is why 9 is not a prime number. 9 is not a prime number. So which type of number 9 is? It is a composite number. It is a composite number because it is divisible by 1 itself and also with the other number 3. That is why we can say that 9 is a composite number. You can also tell that the numbers which are not prime, they are composite number, no doubt. So prime number, you have to note the definition. Prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called a prime number, and composite number, the numbers which are divisible by 1 itself and also with the other numbers, or the numbers that are not prime are called composite numbers. Yes. Now next type of number is a real number. Students, keep in mind that real numbers are those numbers which occurs as real values. For example, if you will observe a number line, then there is a very easy definition of real numbers, that the number that are represented on a number line are called as real numbers. Yes, the number that are represented on a number line. If you will observe the number line, then every type of number you can write on the number line. So all these type of numbers are real numbers. Keep in mind that in the next lecture we are going to start our new chapter, sets, and in that chapter we have to study the set of numbers. So real number is a universal set of number. Real number is a universal set of number. Why real number is called a universal set of number? Because natural number is also a real number, whole number is also a real number, integer is also a real number. All these type of numbers are real numbers. Real number is a universal set of numbers. It contains all type of numbers. So what is the opposite to real number? That is imaginary number. Imaginary number. There are many concepts related to the imaginary number, but I will show you one concept here. Imaginary number, I will imagine one number, suppose I, and if I will put the value of this I under root minus 1, means root of a negative number are imaginary numbers. I can also write j is equal to under root minus 2 or under root minus 3, or you can also write like that, I square is equal to minus 1. I square is equal to minus 1. We all know that if I will make the square of minus 1, then it will be 1. If I will make the square of minus 1, it will be 1. The square of negative numbers are also positive. We have studied in the lower classes that the square of negative number is positive. Why? Just look at the board. ध्यान से देखिए. Minus 2, square of minus 2, if we will do the square of minus 2, then what will happen? According to the rule of addition, subtraction, according to the rule of multiplication, it will be minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, and minus minus will become plus. Here it will come 4. So the square of negative 2 is 4. If I will write here 4, then the root of 4 will be 2 also and minus 2 also. But if I will take the root of negative 4, it is imaginary number. So keep in mind that imaginary number is nothing but root of a negative number. The numbers which are not real number are called as imaginary number. So observe this type of numbers. If you will observe, then you can understand these are the type of number we have to use in the further topics. So student, once again we will make the revision. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integer, rational number, irrational number, even number, odd number, prime number, composite number, real number. So these 10 types of number you have to keep in mind for studying the algebra, for studying the maths 1 in 9th and 10th standard. If there is a need, then we will study in the detail also every type of number in the lesson set. So hope you understand. all the number types and number system. Thank you very much for watching the video.